Brady, where'd you go?
I just laughed scary.
Oh, you just, okay, do one of your scary laughs. Okay. Now I want to get you and Brent together. Do a scary laugh for Mom. Okay, Brent, go on out there. Let me get a picture of you both. Brent.
Oh, this is cute.
Who's,
Take their picture.
who is it?
I don't know, but they're cute.
No, we want our family.
My mother's been busy. Either that or she did a great garage sale. Oh, that's great.
Thank you.
Okay,
Birthday, great.
It's a minute.
boys, get out here so I can take a picture. Everybody
In a minute, you'll know me.
go. Okay, go out there where I can get you.
Okay.
Go out there, Brady. Now he's gonna pretend he's gonna nibble your neck. Get him on the neck. Yeah. I gotta get your blood.
There, I got it.
Okay, here's their empty bags. We're gonna come home in about an hour,
Brady got
and we'll put all the candy out on the floor, and we'll see who's got the most. Okay? All right. Say Merry Halloween.
Merry Halloween.
Okay.
Happy Halloween.
All righty. Let's go.
Oh, look at how
Okay.
big this is.
Make sure you don't mix it up.
Look at what I
Oh boy! Oh my word!
got a gum.
You sure
Pretty
did.
look it. Pretty look it. Pretty look
You
it.
got that too, Brent. No. Where did it go, Brent? I saw it in here.
Halloween 1994.
See? I got a gum.
Look, Brent.
There's the little skeleton and the
Here's
little
Brady.
Dracula.
That's yours. You have one where you ate my gum. What is
Your
this?
gum.
Mom, what is this?
Little Bible verses.
What are verses?
Like from the Book
Script.
of Mormon.
It's scriptures. It's like you're going to church.
Oh, baby!
Somebody gave you church scriptures. That just blows me away.
Can I have this?
It's probably a Mormon. Well, baby, a pumpkin.
Oh, you gotta back up a little bit. You gotta back up a little bit.
One.
You got a chocolate pumpkin?
Can you
All
throw
right.
that?
Did anybody get any packages of raisins? Her mother's eating. Brady's eating. Brent's not eating.
1, 2. And I got another yummy candy. I got another yummy candy.
Okay. Oh, those are good.
11.
Those is what I always get at Store It. I'll bet. Did you get them at Store It?
No, I got this at the Halloween. 13, 14.
What'd they get at Store It?
15, 16, 17.
Those are good. I mean, they're the best candy I've ever had.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Can I have this?
23, 24,
I think that's the one.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 7,
Good counting, Brady.
37, 38,
But you knew where to start counting.
38, 39,
Yes, you do.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 49.
I think you guys got too much candy. We should give it to Goodwill.
49,
50.
49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
No. Wait just a minute.
58, 59,
Turn it down, huh? Turn it right off.
59, 59.
Jenny, it picks that up like you wouldn't believe. Just turn it down.
61, 62,
Thanks.
63. I already give them one of my stand for. I already got candy. 65, 66, 67, 68, 60,
9,
68, 69, 4,
70.
70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75
You have 75
Five
candies.
candies.
Whoa. That's a lot.
from trick-or-treating.
All right. Brady,
Happy Halloween, everybody.
how many you got, Brady?
I'm not going to count yet.
All right. Okay. So say goodbye for 1994.
Bye, 1994.
Bye.
Our eyes, a circle mouth, and triangle ears. And they were just like, that's a cool pumpkin. I'm like, mine's better.
Okay, this is a pumpkin that me and Lindy carved out.
And a little bit of
Okay,
red.
flip this light on behind me, would you? Last Sunday night, or Saturday night. And there it is. Whoa, dude. And we had a lot of fun doing it. And Lindy's a real good carver. Okay, now, Lindy,
Can light a match. Alright, what, go with me?
Lindy, let's see her candy. There's Lindy. She was dressed up like, what, Raggedy Ann?
Yeah.
Raggedy Ann. There's her bag of candy.
A huge bag of candy.
Now you don't need to dump it out or anything if you don't want.
Take a look inside.
No, you can't see it.
It's a big thing of
Look at
candy.
all that junk.
It's gonna take me a year to eat it.
It's about 50,000 calories in there. Kids will all be sick. Anything you want to say?
Thank you for letting me go and thank you for picking me up at my friends.
Taking you and picking you up.
Yep.
I'm going to try and limit you to your friends to be 1 mile away. After 1 mile away, you cannot be friends with them. Dead serious. What are you doing? Lindy's playing with matches. Pyromaniac. Okay.
But deep inside, I know he cares. And this is my time, I'm by his side. As long as he needs me, I know where I must be. I claim I'll stay that
not quite as nice as the first time. I think it's like, okay, I've already did it once, why should I, work on it again? You have to make sure you keep working on it. As long as he needs me. And think of it as kind of a little crescendo and decrescendo and crescendo.
I want my pink. I will prepare to make and keep sacred covenants, seek promised blessings of the priesthood through obedience. Live my life to claim the blessings sweet of exaltation, my testimony growing each new day. I walk by faith, a daughter of heavenly parents, divine in my nature, my inheritance. The Spirit whispers of my mission, my individual worth. So I seek for precious knowledge, for learning and for growth. I understand the meaning of accountability. Every choice for good or ill is but responsibility. I want to build the kingdom, and good works is the key. By doing what I know is right, I show integrity. I walk by faith, a daughter of heavenly parents, divine in my nature, my inheritance. And someday when God has proven me, I'll see Him face to face. But just for here and now, I walk by faith. I walk by faith, a daughter of heavenly parents, divine in my nature, my inheritance. And someday when God has proven me, I'll see Him face to face. But just for here and now, I walk by faith. Yes, just for here and now, I walk by
Thank you, Lindy. Nice job. Very full, huge voice that you have, right? Okay, yeah. So, have you ever had any voice lessons? Okay. Where have you learned